In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Prestashop for beginners in 2025. Prestashop is a popular platform for creating online stores and is known for its flexibility and ease of use. So if you're ready to embark on your e-commerce journey, let's dive in and make it happen. First things first, open your web browser and type Prestashop into Google's search bar. As you look through the results, click on the link titled Prestashop, Create an Online Shop Easily, e-commerce. This will lead you to the official Prestashop website where you can get started on building your online store. Once you're on the website, keep an eye out for a button that says Get Started and go ahead and click on it. This step is your doorway into exploring the various Prestashop offers and their features tailored to different business needs. When you land on the offers page, you'll see there are three distinct options: Classic, Hosted, and Enterprise. Each offers unique advantages depending on what you're looking for. If you're leaning towards the Classic option, it's a self-hosted solution suitable for users who prefer more control and customization. Here you can click on Download to initiate the installation process of Prestashop onto your computer. Prestashop itself provides a step-by-step setup guide that makes the installation smooth and comprehensive. If you prefer the convenience of a hosted solution without worrying about server management, the hosted option might be a better fit. Here you'll find an option to start free trial. Select this to create a Prestashop account. You'll enter your email address or opt to sign up directly through Google. This way Prestashop can guide you through setting up your store seamlessly. Now for those who are running established businesses with complex needs, the Enterprise option is tailor-made for you. It is designed to offer a robust, scalable and feature-rich solution. This option builds upon the Classic offer, enhancing security, providing customization options, and hosting performance tailored to larger businesses. If you're exploring this route, you'll receive the necessary resources for high-performing e-commerce. Once your Prestashop store is set up, there's a View My Store button that allows you to view your newly created online store. You'll be redirected to your own store website where the magic of customization begins. To make further changes or personalizations, navigate to the back-end office of your Prestashop store. Here you have the freedom to explore, customize, and configure your store to suit your brand and business needs. And there you have it. With these steps, you can kickstart your journey into online retail using Prestashop, tailoring it precisely to your needs and vision. Enjoy the process, and I wish you prosperity in your e-commerce endeavors.